Click the plus symbol to start creating a new image. Add the starting image using a simple drag and drop, or by opening the folder with the Open command. Assign a name to the image. Select a proposal mode. View all styles suggested by the application and select Import Style from Reference Image. Click Open and select the image to use as a style reference. Set the type of lighting to use, choosing the same option as before. Also, provide additional useful suggestions to meet your expectations. Finally, click on Generate New Image. See a comparison between the original image and the newly created one. You can view the final result in full screen or compare it with the original image. Finally, the generated image can be customized, enhanced, renamed, downloaded, or deleted.